Hey guys, it's Julian with LeatherSeats.com. Just a quick video on how to properly close the zippers on our seat upholstery kits. Installing an all leather kit today, which can be kind of tricky since the leather's really thick. Just wanted to show you a couple of tips on how to get it done. First, I'm gonna grab the steamer, steam the inside of the cover around the zipper, just to make that material more flexible and pliable. We'll steam both sides. Instead of just pulling and yanking on the zipper head to close this, I'm going to help it out by compressing the foam, pulling the cover over so the zipper's right next to each other, making sure this excess material is folded out of the way on both sides. Then we'll grab a pick tool into the zipper head, work it down. Stop and do it again when there's some tension on the zipper head. Alright guys, easy as that. If you guys have any questions, you can contact us at 866-NEW-SEAT or email sales@LeatherSeats.com. I'm Julian at Extension 101, and thanks for watching.